Got my Gabby eating with a spoon. Come on, you can do it. Get it out. Atta girl. Look at that. Got really mad when I tried to feed her. So, she decided to do it herself, having some nice vanilla yogurt. She's doing actually pretty good. She's getting a little bit extra on her face. Pretty good, eh, baby? Here, let me help you with some of this. Let me see. Atta girl. Here, open. Atta girl. You're doing fine. Mm-hmm. Yep. Nope, just a spoon. There you go. Wowee. She's doing like proper size scoops and everything. Good girl. Just a spoon. There you go. Ooh-wee. Wow, huh? Now you finish off of that spoon first. There you go. There you go. You almost had a meltdown there. Just about had a meltdown there. You gotta stick the spoon in there, baby. Stick it in. Just like that. Yep. Okay, pull it out. There you go. Good, huh? Let me get this off your face. Okay. Oh, boy. You're getting it in your hair and everything. Okay, thanks.